So, after 3 weeks, 2 weeks pala, sorry. So, in-extend ko ng konti itong kanyang cast. So, we're gonna move it. Ayan, medyo nasasaktan pa siya dahil po dikit. Yan, so after 2 weeks, so you could see very good nasal bridge. Yung tip, no, it's so very nice. Courtesy of the irradiated rib. So this is a complete IRD Rhinebus T. So could you zoom on this part? So you could see that already the bridge, okay, is just on the line of the eye. So there is no resorption. It's it's same height as we did during we measured during the augmentation, and you could see that the tip goes on the way to the nasal tip using the irradiated rib, and then the irradiated rib is the one being projected here. Ayan. Basta to, maliit na rin to. Ayan. Wala ka nang masasabi dyan. All the ano na yan. All the good things. So, congratulations and good luck on your new journey. Okay? Sige. Okay.
Thank you po.
See you. Okay.